Hey guys, hello, welcome to my YouTube channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Thank you for tuning in today's video I want to make plantain chips. So here is my plantain. So I will wash it. I'm peeling the plantain. Okay, so guys, I'm done peeling the plantain. I'll add a little salt. Salt. Fry pan. Vegetable oil. So guys, the vegetable oil is hot. It's now time to slice this is my slicer. It's time to slice the plantain. So I will stir it so that it will not burn. So I will stir like this until it becomes brown. As you can see, this one is ready. So I will remove it. The second batch. guys, our plantain chips is ready. This is turmeric powder, so I want my plantain chips to have turmeric flavor, so that's why I'm using turmeric powder. I use this tissue or napkin to mop excess oil from the plantain chips. So guys, thank you very much for watching. Plantain chips is ready. Wow, you can prepare it at home for your children to take to school, to eat at home. Mama, come and take. Come and take your plantain chips. You see my daughter? You like it? Thank you very much for watching. This is the end of our video.